Hey guys, so if you have an issue with your COD points, then you want to go to the support website on Activision. You want to go to support options. I've recently lost about 900 points, so I'm just trying to get that back as we speak. Not sure why it's disappeared. Bizarre. So yeah, you select the game, the console type, and then you want to go to COD points and Battle Pass. I'm just going to say I'm having issues spending my COD points in game. I haven't not had that issue, but I don't know which other option to pick. I've just lost my points. I'm going to do that. It says I've already got an open case, but I'm just going to redo it for like just a demo. Make sure you're logged in first. It doesn't matter how you log in with your network or whatever. So I'm going to go submit new ticket. Yeah, so my old ticket's been closed. I'm just going to put my email in it. This is just a reply email. I had around 900 COD points. It now appears to be missing. Please help. So I'm going to submit that ticket. Now you've got your case number, so that means it's worked. And if you go up to my cases, you'll be able to see your current case and any old ones. You can only have one open at a time, so you pay